Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Lincoln Navigator and how to remove the stereo, the wood trim panels, and the AC control unit. It's pretty easy, and this video applies to the year models 2007 to 2014. Let's get started. The first thing you are going to want to do is remove the chrome around the shifter. Slowly work your way around. And those are the 4 tabs that latch into the shifter. Next, open up your center console, and we are going to lift this wooden panel. And slowly we're going to lift and unlock the tabs. And make sure when you lift up, you pull back and out of the shifter. Next, you're going to gently grab and pull this panel, and it should start unlocking. And once you have the panel halfway out, we're going to remove the wiring. So you could take out the 12-volt power if you want, but I'm going to just leave it plugged in and just put the panel onto the side. Next, I'm going to be opening up these 4 bolts so I can gain access to the stereo deck. Just gotta wiggle a little and it should come straight out. So that's how easy it is to remove your stereo deck and your interior wood panel trims on your Lincoln Navigator. And if this video has helped you out, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.